Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you where to get best free no copyright music for YouTube videos. Open YouTube in your browser. Click on your YouTube profile. Open YouTube Studio. On the left-hand section, scroll down to find the audio library. Then click on it. Here, you can find and download thousands of cool tracks for free. Also, you can play it. And for download, click the download button. And here, your download will start. Also, you can filter these tracks by genre, by mood, by artist name, and by duration. And remember, all of these audio tracks are free to use in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. And that was it. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe. It's free.